Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Henderson and we are in the community of Landmark at Black Mountain Ranch by Lennar Homes. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan Elliot. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new builds here throughout the Las Vegas area, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Elliot, and we are in the community of Landmark at Black Mountain Ranch by Lennar Homes. And we are in Henderson off the 95 and Horizon. And we're gonna be checking out this bad boy right in front of me. Before we get started with this one, guys, let me show you really quick this community, guys. There is a total of 8 different model homes available here to preview. And in Black Mountain Ranch, guys, there's a total of 6 communities. Yep, you heard that right, 6 communities. So what does that mean? There is a total of 24 different floor plans to pick from. So you got options, guys. So that is not an excuse. It all just comes down to, do you want to be in this location? I know it's definitely kind of away from the city, but hey, some people don't mind. Some people want to be close to the lake, Boulder City, or so for various reasons, guys. So for today's video, we're just going to be checking out floor plan Elliot. And this one right here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is 2,472 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $557,990. That does not include your upgrades. I would add about 8 to maybe 5 to 8%, guys, estimate, and also add your lot premium. So that just varies. It depends on what lot you go with. So. And it is in an HOA community, 59 bucks a month. Also does have a sit-in lid, estimated balance of 11,000, making it a biannual payment around 496 bucks. But here it is, guys. Let me show you. Also, it does come with 3 different elevations, meaning 3 different looks, and also in the Landmark community, 3 different floor plans. So, got pavers, 2-car garage, got the windows up there up top. I do like how it is covered right here, guys. Got the covered front porch. Look at that. Definitely do like that in my opinion. You got the nice front 8-foot door. Got the Ring doorbell. Let's go inside. All right, so as soon as you come in, staircase is there to the left, right in front. Living room, 9-foot ceilings. You got the vinyl flooring. Then here off to the left, let me show you guys. Turn the light. So you have your powder room. So you got a single vanity, your toilet. And then here to the right, you have a coat closet, also a storage closet that goes all the way down over there. Awesome. Then let's go over here. That's going to be to your 2-car garage, but currently locked, and it is the construction office, so we won't be going in there for sure. To the left, you got the stairs. You come over here, you got the dining, living room area, 9-foot ceilings. Also, another thing I always like to tell people about Lennar, guys, is the things that you can upgrade here is going to be the flooring, countertops, color cabinets, and the backsplash. So other than that, everything else you see is going to be standard with your home purchase. So be mindful when you're watching this property tour so you're aware. But look at this, guys. I mean, good sized living room. Wish it would have put TV there. Got the dining. And right behind me, you got your kitchen with the black cabinets. You got the quartz countertop with the gray veins. Really nice. Definitely digging it. Look at this. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? And then right over here, you do have your pantry. Look at this, guys. Look how big this pantry is. This is like, if you're going on a lockdown or something, stock this bad boy up. I mean, me personally, I'd probably be fine with half of it. But man, look at that. That's a lot of groceries to fill up. And the way groceries are nowadays, ooh-wee. It is expensive, I'll tell you. Let me know if you agree. And real quick, guys, I can't go to the backyard because they keep them locked. But just know that this landscaping, you're not gonna get, guys. Just clean slate, just dirt. You're just gonna get this covered patio and then the pavers underneath. Beyond that, it's just gonna be dirt. You would have to do your own landscaping. So something to keep in mind. But here it is, guys. Here's this first floor. Let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment below on your thoughts. Would definitely like to hear what you have to say. Whether it be good or bad, you're not gonna hurt my feelings, guys. I understand that not all homes are for everyone, and that's okay, because even though I preview homes all the time for you guys, I don't like them all either. And if you guys are enjoying this property tour, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. Ooh, that little thing scared me. Also, guys, if you're looking to purchase a new build home and you want to have your own outside representation, which I recommend, guys, or maybe you already have your own realtor, that if you are going to come check out a new build home, bring us with you on that first visit, at least, guys. Because if we don't come with you, the builder's going to be like, nope, you came alone, therefore we're going to represent you. And the question I get a lot, guys, is why have outside representation? Which is a great question, which I don't expect people to know. At the end of the day, guys, we're here to look out for you. We'll give you honest and the best advice, because we're outside from the builder. And we'll make sure that you get the best deal and take care of all the incentives possible, guys. We'll negotiate that for you. What I always tell people, guys, you know, the realtors are great, don't get me wrong. But at the end of the day, who do they work for? The builder. So just a heads up, guys. Have your own outside representation. Definitely digging this loft, guys. Let me know if you agree. Look at this, guys. Really nice. Let me show you guys here downstairs. If I don't drop my camera. Cool. It survived. So right here off to the right, you're gonna have the bedrooms. So first we'll start off with this full bath, dual vanity. Got the ceramic tile flooring. Over here you have your toilet. Then your prefabricated combo tub stand-up shower. Then right across, your laundry room. Washer and dryer is an option to purchase, guys, with the builder. Then you got this ceramic tile flooring. But what I always tell everybody, have your realtor negotiate that for you. You might get it, you might not. Just all depends. Have them fight to get you everything as much as possible. Here's the first bedroom. And right over here, you actually have a walk-in closet, which is a decent size. Not bad. Does it have a light in here? Yes, it does. Let's turn it on. Okay, let me show you guys the room from here. Okay. Not bad. Okay, so then right over here, we have the second bedroom. This one doesn't have a walk-in. Also, another thing I forgot to mention, guys, so you do have the option to purchase solars here. So if you do decide to purchase them, I mean, they got different prices. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you this is how much. I could give you a range. You're around 16,000 to up to around 18,000 if you want to purchase solar. It just depends on, I guess, the size of them. And if you do decide that you just want to lease them, there is the option to lease them for a 20-year lease, and they start at 74 bucks. So if you're one of those that likes to be energy efficient and want your solar, just know that in this community, you're able to do that. And then right over here, we have this nice size primary bedroom. Look at this. You got, I don't know, what, 3 feet nightstands on each side. You still have about 2 feet on both sides easily. Then right over here, you do have a balcony. Can't go out there to enjoy this nice cool breeze, but just know you do have a balcony. That is pretty wide. I would say it's about 20 feet. Like 20 by, I don't know, 6, 7 feet. But it is not covered, which I wish it was. But I'm not gonna hear and sit and complain, because at least you have a balcony, guys. And enjoy these mountain views that has to offer out here in this area. Black Mountain Ranch. Here's your closet. So what do you guys think? Like it? You don't? Too small? Let me know in the comments below. And right over here, we have another closet, guys. You thought that was the only one? You were wrong. Look at this. Good size. Good size. At least for me. And right over here, you have your toilet, your window, and right here, linen closet, primary bathroom. So you got 2 vanities. Then here to the left, you have the combo bath and your stand-up shower. Nice and bright in here, I like that. At least, actually, make it even brighter. Turn on those lights. They were off. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you guys like this bathroom? Let me know in the comments below. Check it out. Well, drop a comment below, guys, what y'all think of this floor plan. Does it work? Does it doesn't? Maybe the location, which, you know, typically it seems to be about the location. Many of the times people like the homes, but they don't like the location. I think this is a nice location. So if you want to stay in Henderson and kind of away from, not too far from Green Valley and the Galleria Mall, Costco, this is a nice area for you guys. If you guys have any questions or want to schedule an appointment, I'll have my contact info in the description below. Also, guys, if you guys enjoyed this property tour, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. That way it helps me continue to grow. And I appreciate my subscribers, guys. I really do. You guys are awesome. And also, guys, if you guys don't want to miss any of the upcoming property tours, I suggest tapping that notification bell. That way you receive the notification when we do upload these property tours. Well, it was lovely checking out Black Mountain Ranch. This is going to be actually the last floor plan that I preview here as far as the model homes. So I appreciate your time, and y'all know what to do. If you have any questions, until next time, guys.